guys, happy October Tuesday the 27th. Hope you guys are all having a great day today. So my package came early this morning. I think I was showing y'all. So the next video you guys will see will be of me showing you guys what's in those packages. So yeah, and I am on my way now to do something that I don't like doing, and that is getting a sticker. And my sticker is over $100, and I don't like it. I keep saying every year, y'all, that I'm not going to do that, but every time the year comes around, I give in every time. I'm going to have to really put my foot down and not pay for that, because part of the reason why I do that is because my business is kind of like my license plate. So it's kind of like it worked both ways or whatever. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. It's a give and take, but $100, y'all, like, I could do so much with that $100. But yeah, earlier I was gonna share some with y'all. Earlier, me and my daughter was talking about, well, next month we're supposed to be trying to go out of town somewhere, and her and her friend, she was telling me they want to like stop at a strip club. So I've been to strip clubs before, y'all. And as we were talking, and I was reminiscing about letting her know about, mom going to a strip club. I only went twice. One time it was when I was, I think I was 18, and I looked like my girlfriend. I hope she doesn't stop by and I'm not there. But yeah, one time was, that's my seat. I don't know why that makes that noise, that seatbelt thing. But one time I was 18 and I worked at McDonald's. That was my first job. And long story short, my girlfriends was like, we're gonna surprise you for your birthday. So we went to this little club place. I'm thinking we're gonna have like a drink or two or whatever. We went to this little club place, and all I know, I was sitting at the table and I turned around, there was this guy. He was like half naked. And I'm thinking like, I actually went off on him. I'm like, get off me, don't touch me, get out of here. So they were laughing. They thought it was funny. So that was the first time. I really didn't enjoy that. I watched, but I didn't want him touching me. He was in front of me, shaking it up and stuff. And I'm like, oh Lord, I'm just so not liking that. Then the second time was, I remember, I think I was like 20 years old. And Big Mark was like, I don't want you going to no strip club or whatever. So I was like, well, okay, I ain't gonna go. So I went anyway. I went with my girlfriends, with some other friends at the time. And this guy, I don't know, his name was Magic City or Magic Chocolate. I don't remember what his name was. But y'all know when they take off the, I don't know what it is that they wear, their little extra garments. He took it off and he was swinging it and stuff. And I went to go run and get it, y'all. Do y'all know, this lady stepped on my hand so bad right here. Like she took her heel and dug, instead of me, when I tried to go grab the thing, she just dug her heel in it and just took the thing. They did escort her out of there and stuff. My hand was bleeding. I didn't have like a gash or nothing, but I had like a scratch, but my hand was bleeding. And I'm thinking today when I was talking with my daughter about that, I was like, that's probably why I got my hand messed up. Because I'm thinking all this time I got arthritis, and I probably don't even really have arthritis. That probably came from that lady, when I think about it now, how she stepped on my foot so bad. Like, it was, y'all, I'm thinking like, you gonna kill my hand and damage my hand over this man's nasty garment or whatever he was throwing or whatever. Even though I was trying to get it, y'all, too, but still it's like, dang, my hand got so freaking destroyed. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and handle this business at the license bureau. It may be like, I'm trying to think how far it is from where I live. I'm gonna say maybe like 15-20 minutes. And then next door to it is a Goodwill, so I'm probably gonna stop in the Goodwill and see what's going on in there. And then I'll probably see you guys later once I get home, and then I can take you guys into the office space and show y'all, what that area looks like. Y'all, I really, really like it. It's not like I didn't like it before, but I really like it now. Why is y'all crooked? I really like it now more. And it really looks like all really like tied together. So yeah, so I'll see you guys once I get home and get settled and everything. And if I stop in the Goodwill, I will bring you guys along, and I'll show y'all outfit today. It is cold, y'all, here. It's cold. I mean, we did have like some good days that it was like 75, almost 80, but now it's really cold. So yeah, I'll see you guys a little later. All right, bye bye. Why am I saying bye bye? Like I'm not gonna see y'all later or something. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay. Did it cut off or no? Are y'all still going? Are y'all still going? Yeah, y'all see the Goodwill, and then that's the License Bureau. So yeah, that ain't good for me, kinda. Well, yes it is. I'm not gonna go crazy just cause the Goodwill right there. But let me put y'all back over here for a minute while I put my coat on. Y'all, it's cold. Oh my gosh, it's cold. Can y'all still see me? Okay, I got y'all propped on something. But yeah, I got self-control. I might not come out of there with anything. Oh, I know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for curtains, another pair of white curtains. And this is where I found my first pair that's in the front room. So yeah, yeah, I thought I'd come on here for a minute, y'all. Oh my God, I can't wait to get home. I'm so sleepy, man. I'm so sleepy. Girl, gotta get in the bed. Gotta learn how to stop staying up late trying to watch programs and YouTube and stuff. So yeah, but that's how close, y'all, the Goodwill is to the License Bureau. And yeah, I'm gonna take, I found $10. I think I put it in my hold on a minute, I could have sworn, or did I just lose it? Oh yeah, I got it. I got $10 for the Goodwill, and I'm trying, those curtains will be like $3, I think. So we gonna see. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed. But guys, y'all, I do not want to get these people just $100. I think it's $115. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to get my stuff out the glove compartment. But yeah, I think it's $115 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, I will really see y'all when I get out of here, and hopefully I have a score, and hopefully I might bring y'all in there. Okay, so yeah, look at that beautiful mirror. So I'm in here. I'll show y'all a little bit of something. Let me see. That's kind of cute, but I don't need that. Ooh, barbells, $2. No, this is cute though. Live, love, and laugh. This is nice. That's nice. She don't need nothing. I don't know what this is. Would be half off. I don't know what that is. It's like a mirror. It's like a box with a mirror and this little thing here. I don't know if it comes out or not, but that's really cute. Look at those. Okay, y'all. She didn't do too bad. Y'all, I'm so grateful, man. I don't know if it's because I'm in a different city or something. My tags this time were only $100. Y'all think I'm lying? What does that say? This is the tag. That's what I paid right here. $111. So I did get back $4. Okay, thank God. $4. So I'm good for another year. And I spent $3 right here in the Goodwill, $3.20. So I did go ahead and buy the box, y'all. This girl was like, I didn't even see that I was gonna get it. I would have got it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna razor blade this off and razor blade this part off, that word. And I'm gonna put this on the coffee table, and this comes out, y'all. So I was able to get it out in the store, but it does come out. I'll throw this away because it's acrylic, and I don't need no acrylic. But I'm gonna use this on the coffee table. to put my remotes in, even though the remotes are inside that other thing. But like when I'm watching the television, I'll put them in there, and then I probably put two coasters in here for that. And then I bought a car mat, which I needed one more car mat, so I got a big nice car mat, because everything that was yellow, if y'all see yellow here, it says $3. Everything that was yellow right here, everything that was yellow was half off. So I got this car mat where I'm gonna clean it off too, for $1.50. So yeah, y'all, I'm really on my way, and I'll see you guys once I get home. All right, guys, I almost forgot to end this video. So I was trying to show y'all in the store outfit of the day. I just got these black patent leather shoes with the detail on the bottom of the heel. Everybody should have themselves a nice turtleneck. But we're gonna go. I'm gonna show this office, and then I'm gonna get out of here because I have to eat, and I got to get to do my my chores. So let's go in here, and voila, y'all, here is the office. So you guys can let me know in another video what you guys think. But here is everything. I got the light lit up for y'all. I did put the wood stain on here, and hold on, y'all, let me see. As you can see, she turned out beautiful. So yeah, and I was wondering, y'all, these are real metal legs too. I mean brass pieces here, brassware. And I was wondering why these things were on here, and it's to hide the cord, guys. So yeah, look at that. How cute is that? So I took this out of the kitchen because my plan is to find a little anchor, and I'm gonna hang that right here. That's gonna look cute because the wood matches all of that. And yeah, guys, look at her. She's so pretty. I put my amber glass in here, and I added the some more of that pampas grass that I had. I had a lot of it in the other one, so I put it in here. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will see you guys in another video really soon. And hopefully I can share with you what I got in those boxes. And then too, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. Share the channel, and I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Bye. Love you guys.